Hi, today we are going to create automation framework with Selenium and Java using the page object model. And what is the page object model? So let me show you. This is the website that we're going to work on. So for every page on that web application, see we have a bunch of pages right here, home, wishlist, my account. And for every page, we're going to have a Java class with custom functionality for just that particular page. So let me show you real quick what are we going to do with our automation framework, Selenium automation framework, and the page object model. First, we're going to open the browser and we're going to verify the title, which is right here, if that's the right title. Then we're going to log in. Let me first log out. Then we're going to press that button with Selenium. We're going to go to login page. We're going to use those credentials. We're going to press that button. And we're going to check. We're going to verify if we are the person right here. If we're the person login into that web application. Then we're going to go back to home page. Scroll down. Find the last item on the list. Add that item to a cart. Here, we're going to select the state. We're going to select zip code, and we have to select those numbers. We have to select 12 items. So we're going to select 4 items from the first row, 4 items from the second row, and another 4 items right here. And after that, we're going to click add to cart, and we have to verify if this item is on the cart. So what we need, we're going to need basic knowledge of Selenium. We're going to need basic knowledge of any object-oriented programming language, and we're going to need knowledge of XPath. What are we going to use? We're going to use Spring STS as our Java editor with Maven. And Maven is just another way for managing our dependencies in Java. It's the same thing as Bower or NPM in Node.js world. So we're going to create 2 projects. We're going to create project automation framework. We're going to create project test. In our automation framework projects, we're going to keep all our Java classes and all the Selenium logic. So we're not going to use Selenium logic in our test project. In our test project, we're going to use JUnit testing framework and our custom syntax. So let's get started.